Hey y'all, Tom, ND3N here, just like it says upon the hat, and welcome to my little shack in the corner for a ham shack chat. Now, you all know that I am an avid contester. I enjoy the challenge, the process, and the personal rewards of contesting. However, whenever I do a contest announcement or even just mention contesting in one of these videos, I inevitably get a few negative comments from the anti-contest contingent. Some of them go as far as to suggest I do something physically impossible to myself. Now, I will generally just delete those comments, but I got to thinking, why are these people so voracious when it comes to contesting? I mean, I know why I contest, and I know why a lot of people contest. So I figured that these folks are just ignorant to the benefits that contesting brings to the ham community as a whole. Either that or they're just mean people.
Because you are a mean girl!
In this video, I'll be presenting 3 reasons why contesting benefits each and every ham, regardless of how they feel about contesting. The first reason is that traffic across the entire frequency spectrum, DC to light, is monitored within the FCC field offices, and that usage is reported up their chain of command so that they know, those in the upper echelons know which frequencies are being used. Now, we do not own any of what we call our frequencies. And if someone proves that taking our frequencies and giving them to another party is in the public interest, it can be done. We have the privilege of using these frequencies, not the right to use them. Now, you can ask some of the older hams around here and they can give you the story, but several years ago we lost a portion of our 220 megahertz band to United Parcel Services, who then rapidly rushed out and decided not to use it, and it was never returned. More recently, like happening right now, the FCC decided to take our 3.4 gigahertz band and make it available for 5G cell phone use. Now, this loss was unsuccessfully challenged by the ARRL and AMSAT. Our HF bands are also being eyed for over-the-horizon communication alternatives to the more expensive satellite services. This is especially true with the aviation industry, who are currently using HF frequencies to support their aircraft in transoceanic flights. The frequency spectrum is rapidly filling up, and the FCC and other national and international communications agencies are being pressed to identify those parts of the spectrum that are not being actively used, and contesting counts as usage. So when we use it for contesting, that's a plus mark for the hams for holding on to our frequencies. Now, the second reason is that contesting opens up what I like to call operating opportunities for all hams, not just those in the contest. Many contesters, especially the international contest, might plan a DXpedition to a rare DX location, some little island stuck 1,000 miles away from land in any direction. And they plan it so they will coincide with the contest. Everybody that makes contact with the Rare DX will usually receive a QSL card via the Bureau, or at least know that their contact will be confirmed in Logbook of the World. Anyone can make a contact during the contest. You don't have to be in the contest. And your contact will be welcome, even if you don't plan on submitting a log. Even you rabid non-contesters can use this opportunity to fill in your DXCC. worked all states, or any other goal that you might have. The only request I would make of you, and I think the vast majority of contesters would agree with me, is that you follow the contest rules and don't try to turn the opportunity into a rag chew. Now, you can review all the rules for virtually every contest out there at the WA7BNM contest calendar linked down in this description. Finally, contesting increases our knowledge and skills, and any improvement of those improves our entire community, as those with the knowledge and skills pass them on to others. It's how we get the information out there, folks. In order to be a successful contester, you need a knowledge of how solar conditions affect our ham operations. Now, we are aware of the solar cycle and understand the relation between sunspots and solar indices. We understand how solar flares and corona mass ejections can affect our ionosphere. And we know how, when possible, to adjust our operations to mitigate those effects. Contesters have a better knowledge of the geography of our world and know the difference between Guinea, New Guinea, and a guinea pig. Contesters know how to optimize their communications to maximize the number of contacts during any given operating opportunity, using their knowledge of solar conditions and our ionosphere and geography. In summary, contesting protects our frequencies, provides scheduled operating opportunities for everyone, and increases both the individual and community knowledge and skills. And all of these things benefit every ham, even the non-contesters. Now, I hope that I have at least informed, if not educated, a few of the non-contesters, and I hope along with this information you may have gained an appreciation of the value of contesting.
Please like me. Please. Questions? Comments?
Sharing is fun. I subscribe to Teen Beat.
Thanks for dropping by my little shack in the corner for a ham shack chat about how contesting benefits all hams. As always, I'm at your service. 7-3 until the next Hey Y'all, I'm Tom, ND3N, and I am out.
Brand new Bond Arms handgun, go to getbondarms.com. That's getbondarms.com.